The LyxPro 30-inch kids guitar is an excellent entry-level electric guitar designed specifically for children aged 9 to 12, providing a perfect fit for smaller hands. This guitar features a 30-inch scale and is crafted from high-quality materials such as a premium rosewood fingerboard and a Canadian maple neck, similar to full-sized adult guitars. Included in the set is a 20-watt amplifier that has a built-in speaker, headphone jack, and aux input, allowing kids to play along with their favorite music tracks. To ensure the best sound quality, the kit comes with a battery-operated digital tuner, along with an instruction book that helps children learn how to tune the guitar. The guitar package also includes essential accessories like 6 strings, 2 picks, a comfortable shoulder strap, and a soft case gig bag for easy transport. With its all-in-one setup, this guitar kit makes a fantastic gift for budding musicians, simplifying the process of learning to play the guitar from home to school.